Hello everyone, I'm Jill Dunlop, Ontario's Minister of Colleges and Universities. It was my pleasure to attend this event last year in person, and I wish I could be with you all tonight. I would like to thank Mitacs for hosting this event to celebrate Canadian innovation and excellence. Congratulations to all the winners. The Ontario government recognizes that investing in research is an investment in people and the economy. It brings jobs and opportunities that will allow innovators like you to push boundaries. That's why the government was proud to announce more than $32 million in funding earlier this year to help Mitacs create up to 6,500 research internships for Ontario students. Students like Glenda Watson-Hyatt, who is being awarded tonight for her tireless work supporting Canadians living with speech disabilities. Congratulations, Glenda. And Reza Aslami, whose work in wearable technology for health monitoring will go a long way to providing better care to the people of Ontario. Congratulations to you, Reza. I want you to know we are all so proud of you and your pioneering research. I wish you and all the winners here today a meaningful and successful career. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your evening.